Hi, this is Dan Whitney with the Whitney Law Firm in Towson, Maryland. If you're watching this video, you're probably trying to figure out what to do when the car dealer lied to you. So, I'm an attorney here in Maryland. I've been handling car dealership cases for probably about 10 years. And the short answer is when a dealer lies to you, you've got a couple options. One, you can complain. They're probably going to ignore it. Two, you can file a complaint with the Department of Motor Vehicles, or here in Maryland, it's the MVA. Sometimes that's investigated quickly and there's a great result. Other times the result may not be what you're looking for. And your third option is to consult an attorney, and if the facts are good, you may very well be able to file a lawsuit against the dealer. I find that it's a lot easier for car dealers to ignore a letter of representation or a complaint or a couple voicemails. But it's not so easy for them to ignore a lawsuit. That seems to get the attention rather quickly. So that's what I do, because I don't like to get ignored, and my clients need to have their claims addressed promptly. So a lot of times when somebody makes a complaint, they will leave a voicemail, they get ignored, and it just goes on forever. But what happens after you file the lawsuit? Usually their lawyer gets involved, and very often, if it's a strong case and the facts are clear that the dealer's done something wrong, it's not uncommon for the case to get resolved rather quickly. Of course, if you're talking about something where it's a he said she said type claim, where he said that there was no accidents and the person denies saying it, that can get into a little bit of gray area, because they're depending on what the facts are, it's not as clear as something like an illegal processing charge or charging an illegal fee, which is something where we could see on the face of the contract that, of course, something has been done wrong. Or perhaps they violated the spot delivery rule, or perhaps they bumped the advertised price by several $1,000s. Those are all sorts of things that can be proven rather easily, with which you would apply the law. Or simply look at the advertisement and say, look, you said it's good for 10. My client came in and said, I want to buy for 10. And then you made up some fake fees and charged them 15. Well, you simply can't do it. And that's a much more straightforward case. But there's an infinite variety and types of cases that car dealers can get sued over, simply because their schemes have no limit and they're a creative bunch. Of course, they will, some of them will do anything to make a dollar, and that just creates a wide world of possibilities for things they can do wrong. But the good thing is there's attorneys such as myself who are able to help people who buy cars and enjoy holding dealers accountable for their dishonest and deceitful actions, and I do it quite a bit here in Maryland. So if you've had an issue in Maryland with a car dealer and you're looking for an attorney to look into your case and perhaps help you, please feel free to give me a call, Dan Whitney, at the Whitney Law Firm in Towson. We handle cases across the state of Maryland. And of course, our clients in these car cases pay no out-of-pocket fees or expenses, and we cover all the expenses. So please feel free to contact us for a free consultation. If you're looking for some additional info, we have some other videos. We have some good blogs on the website about past cases and other issues. So please feel free to reach out. Our number is 410-583-8000, or go to our website, whitneyfirm.com, and feel free, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.